What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Kasim Sitar channel. In today's video, I wanted to give you guys an update in the AI space, right? So this is cool, right? Because just like I keep telling you guys on my YouTube page, if you want your most up-to-date research, right, as of right here today, AI is able to do that research for you. So say if you are a fitness coach and you want to understand what is the main trending workouts that are happening and the trends that are happening, so that way you could be a better fitness coach for your clientele, right? AI is able to do that research for you. So for me in this season of my life, I'm asking it like, hey, I need to know the most up-to-date AI research. I need to know what's going on in the cybersecurity space. I need to know what's happening and how I can capitalize on that. So this is what it looks like whenever you guys automate this information. We'll go ahead and listen to this.
AI research update for Kasim, August 10th, 2026. The biggest verified change since the last update is cyber capability. OpenAI disclosed on August 7th, 2026, that its upcoming model Astra performs strongly enough in internal testing that the company says it cannot rule out critical cybersecurity capability under its preparedness framework. In that framework, critical means being able to develop functional zero-day exploits against hardened systems or execute novel end-to-end cyber attack strategies from a high-level goal without human intervention. This is still a vendor assessment, not independent confirmation, but it is serious enough that OpenAI says it paused internal activities that did not meet stronger security controls and expanded isolation, monitoring, sandboxing, and external testing.
So what this means is AI is getting very, very smart, very, very dangerous. It was about a week or two ago that there was a simulation being done in the sandbox environment. For those that don't know, basically, if you can imagine an actual sandbox and to do a simulation in the sandbox, you really can't get out of that sandbox. But AI got out that sandbox, accessed the internet, and did other stuff too. But this is important because in the cybersecurity space, it is not only preparing us to know this information, but also keeping us more aware of stuff like this. So let's go ahead and continue this. There it goes. Okay, so whenever I press it again, it's just going to reset, but this goes on and on and on. Number one, the biggest opportunity, AI as a scientific co-research, right? This goes in to talk about how peer review work at Nature shows that eRNA can repeatedly generate tests and improve scientific software using LLMs, right? Large language models, driven codes, rewriting, and tree search. The system searches multiple candidates approaches instead of relying on one AI answer, which is closer to automate experimentation than original code generation, right? Then this goes on to say some more powerful stuff, right? AI is increasingly helping scientists on the day-to-day. We know this, right? Searches more hypotheses that can write and test software. It can analyze large biological data sets. It can generate candidate discoveries, and it can also shorten research cycles, just like I'm telling you right now with research, right? Listen, I can go on and on and on, but if you're not interested in cybersecurity or AI at all, it's not going to make sense to you. But the thing I want you to take away from this video is if you haven't already automated your research, right? Whatever you want to learn, right? Whatever you want to learn, right? You can have that brought to you every single day at 8 a.m. in the morning. So that way, before you even start your day, before you even go lead your business, right? Before you even go to your job, start your day, you're just already poured in with what you want for your timeline and your goals, right? And I have this thing down so good to where every time it analyzes and does the research, it gives me an action plan on how I can continue to build my personal brand and continue to show up for people like us, like every single person that is a hardworking American, somebody that's trying to make an impact and protect their family, right? So don't forget to do that. You can go ahead and chat GPT, Gemini, or even Claude and say hey, I want to create an automation for this research. I recommend starting right there. Actually, if you want to learn more about AI and how it can save you more time, it can save you more money, you guys can automate that research. If you guys have any other questions, right, check out my free PDFs down in the description below on how to make money with Claude. And also I have an AI toolkit that can actually give you guys the prompts. And yeah, if you guys like that video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Salute.